Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce red. To achieve a vibrant red, start with the freshest, ripest tomatoes you can find. Roasting them beforehand concentrates their natural sugars and intensifies their color, giving your sauce a beautiful, deep hue. Adding a small amount of high-quality tomato paste also boosts both the color and the umami flavor. Remember, slow cooking is key for a rich, well-developed sauce. For an authentic, deeply red pasta sauce, selecting the right tomatoes is crucial. Many chefs prefer San Marzano tomatoes, known for their sweet flavor and low acidity, which contribute to a rich, red hue. Roma tomatoes are another excellent choice, offering a good balance of flesh and juice. Always opt for fresh, ripe tomatoes. Their natural pigments are essential for achieving that perfect, vibrant red color in your sauce. To truly deepen the red color and enhance the flavor of your pasta sauce, consider a few key additions. A tablespoon or two of good quality tomato paste, sautéed briefly, will add a concentrated burst of color and umami. A small pinch of sugar can balance the acidity of the tomatoes, making the red appear even brighter. Also, a splash of red wine, cooked down, introduces a layer of complexity and a darker, richer red tone. Simmer for at least 30 minutes. Proper cooking techniques are vital for achieving a beautifully red pasta sauce. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, such as finely diced garlic and onion, until softened. This creates a flavorful base. After adding your tomatoes, allow the sauce to simmer gently over low heat for at least 1 hour or even longer. This slow cooking process allows the pigments to fully develop and the flavors to meld, resulting in a rich, deep red color and an incredibly delicious sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.